Hello everyone, welcome to part 20 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners, and we will continue working on the static pages in React app. Okay, so these static pages we are going to manage dynamically from the admin panel from the backend that we are building with the Laravel. Okay, so see, in the last video we have seen that we able to uh, show these CMS pages in the admin panel. Now in this video we are going to add some content for our CMS pages, add and edit content, okay, that we are going to show here in our React app. Okay, so let's start working on this one. So first of all, we are going to create the route in web.php file. We are going to create the route for add edit CMS page. So here, like, we have the routes for update CMS page status, delete page, CMS pages to view all the pages. Now we will create the same route like we have added for the products. So we will just copy paste to save the time. We are going to add here add edit page. Okay, we can also mention add edit CMS page, it's your choice. Okay, so if you want to mention it like this, you can also mention it like this, add edit CMS page. So here it's under CmsController, and here we are going to mention add-edit-cms-page like this. Okay, so we are going to create this function inside CmsController. We are going to open the CmsController, and this one also we can get from the products controller to save the time. Here we can copy that, but here the functions are something different. Okay, we can create our own function. It will not take much time. Public function, what is the function name that we have used, add edit CMS page. So that thing is not required. Add edit CMS page, and here see, two things will happen here. Either it is for add the new CMS page, or for editing the old page. Okay, so for editing the old page, we see dollar request is required for both cases, both for add and edit. But for edit, the id is there, but for add id is not there, so we will assign id equal to null in case of add. So if $id is equal to empty, then it means the user wants to add the page. So the title of the title we are going to show there, add CMS page. It is for the website though. Okay, and here we are going to take one, we are going to start it like this, like new CMS. In case of add, new CMS page, and message here will come up like this, CMS page added successfully. Okay, and in case of else, it means that the user wants to edit the page. ID is there in this one, so here we'll mention edit CMS page. So here we are going to use here CMS page model, and we'll use the find from the particular ID. And here the message will come up like CMS page updated successfully in case of website. Okay, so now we will also work on the post method, and I think it is better. So we are going to copy this post method, and we'll make changes so that it will save our time. unwanted code we can remove. See, lot of unwanted code there that we can remove. See, here we will add the rules here. That must be specific to the CMS page only. Here we are going to make it like title, URL, and description. Another are not required. Here also. Okay. Now see, we are already using CMS page news CMS, or we are going to find from that particular ID that we are getting in edit to update the CMS content. Okay, so this one is not required. So here we can use this one, CMS page only. uh, See here, this one is also not required, we can remove first of all. Okay, CMS page, and here we will one by one we'll update title, URL, description, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and these are not required. Meta keywords, these are already there. Okay, no issue. Okay, title, your description, meta title, meta keywords, meta description, meta keyword status. Okay, mm, CMS pages. Now we are going to create its blade file that we are going to create inside our Zan project folder, personal ecom 9, resources, views, admin. We are working in admin pages, and here we are going to create that blade file. In Mac we need to create the blade file like this, touch, and the name of the blade file we are going to make it like add_edit_cms page dot blade dot php. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so we can copy the content from any of the page. I'm going to check the add edit category because add edit product is too complex. Here I think this one is good enough. Okay, we can copy this one and we'll make changes. Now I'm going to make it for the CMS pages. Okay, so whatever we required we are going to mention here in this page. See, unwanted columns and everything we can remove. Like we can replace the category with the page, everywhere. In fact, we will check here. See, one thing is left here. uh, we also, in the case of edit, yeah, CMS page is, we are already sending this one, CMS page, here it is. Okay, in case of edit we are sending this CMS page content, okay, to there. And one thing more is there, like here we need to send its view as well. View is not there, okay. So for displaying the view, we need to have it after. Here we need to add for the view, okay. So that we forgot to add. Here we're going to add it here, okay. Add edit CMS page that we have just created. And here we are going to pass that content. This one, CMS page. Okay, so here we will make it CMS page like this. But here we need to make sure it is add edit CMS page. Okay, so we can remove the unwanted fields from here, like these are not required at all. Here we make it this description, and this one we can make it title. After that, URL for the CMS page. Then meta title, meta description, meta keyword, that will remain the same. We can search the category once, make sure it does not exist in this page. Now we can check, we can click on edit link here, but it is not showing because the page name is incorrect. We are going to mention that page name uh, here. We can mention it like this. We can rename it with the add edit CMS page like this, okay. Now we're going to check once again. I'm going to click on edit, and here the page is opening, but with the errors. We're going to resolve these errors. Title we also require to pass. So here, along with the CMS page, three things we are passing here: title as well as the message. Okay, so now we are going to try once again, and here you can see we able to open the edit CMS page here. Okay, and here title, description, URL, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords are coming fine. But here in the left sidebar, we have not added that the sidebar, left sidebar, that is required. Okay, so we will also add it at the left sidebar. But first of all, we are going to work for its content functionality, add edit functionality. Okay, so we are going to make sure that we able to update the content of our CMS page. So here We are going to check once. Description, description we have not added, so we can add the description as well. Here inside this one we are going to add the description. Okay, it is coming now. And also meta description, we are going to check why it is not coming. Now the meta description is still not coming. Now the meta description is also coming. Now we can try to update all the content. We are going to do it like this to update all the content once. Submit. CMS page updated successfully, and here you can see the content has been updated. Title, URL, everything has been updated, and you can see that it has been updated. Okay, so now it is working fine. We can remove the last s that we have added for all, so we can able to edit the CMS page content from the end panel. And in the left sidebar also we are going to show, we're going to update the sidebar in the left sidebar. Okay, like we have the banners management. Here I'm going to add the last one with the pages management, and here like we have added earlier, this session put CMS pages. This we're going to add under add edit CMS page as well. And here the CMS pages session we are going to add here, and here also, and here we are going to mention CMS pages, and here instead of banners it will come like CMS pages. Okay, so now we can refresh, and we can see at the left sidebar pages, under pages management we able to see the CMS pages, and all the CMS pages will come up here. Even if you will click on edit, you can see that it will highlight this one. Okay, so at the time of add as well we can add the new page, but link that we need to correct here once again. We need to make the link as add-edit-cms-page. Now we are going to click once again for adding the CMS page from the admin panel that we can display in the React app as well. Like the new page is the privacy policy. Okay, I'm going to submit. Here you can see that we able to add the new page, and all the content we can able to see here. Okay, so these content we are going to display here as well, along with the about us content, and along with that privacy policy link and the content that we are going to display from the admin panel here from the description. Okay, so we are going to work all the React app. Now we are going to create first of all the API for these call tag to display in the React app. Okay, after that we are going to going to call that API in React app and will show up the call tag. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.